Hey Lux Travelers, we are at the newly opened Rock House Resort in Turks and Caicos, and we're gonna share with you our full experience.
What I see is awesome. This view is something else.
Let's jump right in.
This is the Oceanfront pool studio, so let's have a look. So check out the keys, they're wooden. QR code at the back. Alright, so on my right you have a kitchenette, which comes in very convenient. It has a refrigerator and has a complimentary bottle of rosé. You have your sink, you have a microwave, and so what's really nice is it includes some plates and some cutlery. You also have a kettle, and then on this side you have your closets, your full-size closets and your hanging closets. And then if you continue, so this is the room here. So here you have your glasses and your cups, your coffee maker. And you also have this huge size TV. It's like, look how big this one is.
Honeyfied.
Honeyfied, right. Also a very nice size bed. So let's take a look at the bathroom. You have a deep soaking tub. You also have a floating vanity with double sinks and a mirror. And check out the products. L'Occitane full size, so very nice. They smell excellent. And what's really nice is this door is a pocket door that leads to the toilet. So I really like that. So it creates like extra space. I like the pocket door. And then the shower here, you got a wing shower.
Oh, rain, let it rain. You know me.
So yeah, it's very comfortable bathroom. And then here are your normal products in here, your cotton and so forth.
And some extra drawers with some extra towels and so forth on the other side as well.
Alright. Okay, so this is the bedroom and living area. So, hey, one thing that's really nice is the clock radio is also a charger. So, very nice. You can use just wireless charging there. So then take a look at this space. They give you a table with 2 chairs. You also have a coffee table and like a double sofa and lots of light in this room. So you got this wall of glass in the back that gives you the best view of the ocean. So this is the best part of the whole entire room. So let's take a look. All right, guys. Now this is it. Like, look at this. Ultimate luxury. You got the beautiful view of the ocean. You got the pool view here. You can people watch. You got, you know, infinite views. Just absolutely lovely. And if you are enjoying our channel, don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment. Share our video. This really helps to spread our video across YouTube.
So there's also a screen, which is good. I don't know how I missed that, but don't like mosquitoes. And then check this out. I like the ceiling, those bamboo sticks or those wooden sticks is pretty cool.
So guys, we're at the infinity pool. Apparently the longest infinity pool in Turks and Caicos.
Oh yeah.
And the views are magnificent.
Absolutely magnificent. Check it out.
So on the other side are the rocks, and then you have the sea. And today, I mean, the sea is like lie flat, like a bed. Like today, super duper calm.
How's the water, hon?
It's perfect. It's so refreshing because it's so hot. So definitely where to be to cool down.
Oh yeah.
Here at Rock House, they also have a lot of water activities, so you can try kayaking, you can try paddleboarding. So we tried both. Well, you didn't try paddleboard. I tried a paddleboard. That was an experience.
So, hon, how do you feel about going on the paddleboard?
I'm a little nervous, but guess what? I'm a winner and a loser.
All right. Oh yeah. Out of your comfort zone.
Yes, but it was fun. And also the snorkeling is pretty good. We didn't go out too far, but I heard we can go out far. You can see barracudas and turtles and so forth.
Yeah, I think a couple saw a stingray as well.
Oh yes, they sure did. So yeah, so activities instead of just lounging by the pool or the beach, you can go out and enjoy some of these water activities.
Oh yeah, it's really relaxed as well. And depend on the time of day, you have high and low tide. So sometimes the beach is a little bit larger than other times.
Yeah, yeah.
Bend on your knees. Go on your knees. You have to be in the middle here.
Basic number 1.
Basic number 1, okay. Now basic number 2.
Yes.
When you get up, you make sure you're on your knees like that to get up slowly.
Yeah.
You're on your knees just like that. And then after you take one foot, you put like that.
No foot.
Then,
On your knees.
and you, if you want to go on your knees, that's okay.
Yes.
See?
I'm not.
I was drifting away.
Claiming victory.
She's back on land, on the sand. Thanks to Judah for going to save her. How do you feel about going on the paddleboard?
I'm a little nervous, but guess what? I'm a winner and a loser, so I'm gonna try.
All right. Oh, I can stay here all day, guys. Seats are very comfortable, nicely cushioned. Yeah, my vibe. Big Marv style.
Hey guys, if you're enjoying our content, subscribe. Shameless plug, hit that subscribe.
Thumbs up and send to your family and friends.
We want to hear from you too. Leave us a comment. What do you think about Turks and Caicos?
I'm loving it. So nice feet wash coming from the beach.
So guys, we went snorkeling this morning around 7:30 and it was phenomenal. So,
Oh yeah, really good.
so many fish, schools of fish. I even saw a barracuda.
Oh yeah.
So more of you saw stingrays yesterday.
Stingrays yesterday, Evelyn, baby
Yeah.
stingrays, and they were friendly.
They're friendly, so really beautiful in the morning. So highly recommend if you're here. I mean, the snorkeling is really good. I recommend in the early morning or even in the evening time because it's more quiet, I think.
Yeah.
So it was nice. So on our way to breakfast now.
Hey, Marie.
The food here is very nice. Breakfast is a la carte, which is always great. You have options like fruits and pastry basket, eggs any style you like, avocado toast, and some other items. Special shout out to Daphne and Marie at breakfast. We had some delicious pizzas for lunch. I know the shrimp pizza was absolutely tasty and the mushroom is nice as well, and Marvin tried the pesto pasta, which is also very nice. Dinner, absolutely lovely. I know Marvin enjoyed his snapper appetizer. No surprise there. You guys know he loves the snapper. He also had some chicken diablo, so also very tasty. My eggplant parmesan was super duper delicious. Really enjoyed that. I didn't care so much for the flourless cake, but I know Marvin's chocolate cake was very nice. So a special shout out to Sari from taking care of us at dinner. Entertainment area, so the restaurant as well as the lounge area. There's a bench that you can sit and watch. Well, benches actually, you can sit and watch the sunset. So
Oh yeah.
that entire area is really nice to just lounge, relax, and hang out.
Yeah, and the stairs going down to the jetty as well. You know, if you go to Capri or Cannes or Nice, they'll have the jetties as well. European Mediterranean concept.
Yeah, in France, yeah, right, yeah. So yeah, so it's really nice area there. So
Oh,
they
yeah.
did it really lovely. It's like a circular area at night. It really transforms in this really hip but sexy atmosphere.
Oh yeah, this boutique hotel is the boss. We love it. Love it, love, love.
One of the things I love about travel, we get to meet like interesting
persons and hear their stories like Lasenia, like super awesome story.
Yeah, make sure you stop by Coco, guys, when you're at Rock House and say hello.
Yay!
Hey guys, look out for our full Turks and Caicos videos on Each State Do. And we're gonna have a best beaches, right?
Oh yeah, there's so many picturesque beaches. You don't want to miss that. So awesome beaches as well. Stop Orlando, great service, you know.
Yeah, man.
Bless up.
Anytime you come to Turks and Caicos, you don't know Rock House, #1. Bellman team here, you know?
Yeah.
Man, Jamaican in the Turks and Caicos with my real brethren here.
Yeah. Meet up a Jamaican, don't know, off a link.
Yeah, man,
Bless
and make
it.
sure, just please subscribe to this channel, you know?
Yeah.
Like and share and comment.
Time to go, and today the sea is absolutely perfect.
Oh yeah.
How can we leave?
Yeah, we have to come back for sure.
So yes, amazing. Turks, we love you.
Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, and if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Oh yeah, hit that button.
Yeah, leave us a comment. Tell us how you like or not like Turks and Caicos.
Yeah, and as usual,
Yeah, love yourself, love others, and remember, gratitude for everything under this beautiful sun.
one love.